The interesting thing, and I think the greatest promise of the idea of life skills, is that it cuts across the silos in which we are already working today. There is a conversation on gender, it underpins in itself the value on life skills. There is a conversation on employability, there is a focus on life skills within that. There's a conversation on education, and there is a focus on life skills there. And in addition to that, life skills is contextual. So life skills in Uttarakhand, to Maharashtra, to Tamil Nadu, to Sub-Saharan Africa, to the United States is not the same. And hence, we need people who understand employability, education, gender, adversity on the one hand. We also need people who understand Uttarakhand, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Sub-Saharan Africa on the other hand. Any one of these stakeholders trying to solve for these life skills will be akin to the six blind men and the elephant, where they understand one aspect of life skills and solve for it. By truly building a collaborative model of solving these problems, we are able to bring in diverse stakeholders who are able to share their vocabulary on how do they see this problem, recognize that underlying all of these ideas is there a child at the center of it, a young adult at the center of it, a girl at the center of it. And that view comes only if there are people who are interested in different parts of this problem. And our learning with the Life Skills Collaborative is that there is going to be diverse perspectives, diverse skills and capabilities that are necessary to solve this problem. There is no one organization that brings all of that understanding, be it geographical or sectoral or functional, that is necessary to solve it. And it is exciting to see that today that is actually possible.